Period.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.
Okay guys, so let's get started on this easy and delicious carbonara pasta. So here I have some white onion and some garlic, and what I do, I start to slice the onion already, so I'm just going to finish to slice it down. Like so. Just like that. And I'm going to roughly chop my garlic, like so, like that. You can grate it if you want, or you can buy it minced up already, but we're using what we have this afternoon. It's Valentine's Day and it's already in the afternoon. The kids are home and we're just making something fast but yet delicious for the kids. Just like that. And we're using today this smoked bacon for the pasta. So here we have it here. So I'm just going to open the package. Like so. And yeah, we're using this pasta also, guys, this afternoon. I see it in the supermarket on the French side and I say, you know what, I got to try it. I got to try this one because I like to try different pasta shape to see the different texture. So let me show you what it looks like.
They look like little nuts.
It look like this, guys. You see that?
It's
Round.
like smooth and rough.
Yes, I like how it looking. I like the texture of it, the shape and the size. So we're using this afternoon for the carbonara pasta. So over here we have a pot boiling with some water. So I'm just going to salt the pot with the water, and I'm going to add my pasta to the water to boil. So I just add in a little bit of oil inside that pot. You don't have to use oil because the bacon have its own fat already, but I'm going to use a little bit this afternoon, and I'm just going to add my bacon to the pot to saute up. And we're gonna saute it. Yes, saute it.
It smells so good.
It's bacon. What you expect? we're just rendering it down, and then after we're going to remove it from the pot, and then we're going to use the same fat to fry up the onion and the garlic. Okay, now guys, I'm going to remove it from the pot. We should have bought 2 packs. We only buy 1 pack, but it's just us, so we will just work with what we have. It smells so good. The bacon smells so delicious. Wow. So what I'm going to do now, my pot bottom change. I'm going to take my white onion and I'm going to add it to the pot, building up the flavors.
Oh, that's tasty. There's gonna be a lot of flavor: bacon, onion, garlic.
Yep. And now we're going to add
The garlic.
garlic to it.
Guys, my mom in love with garlic. Guys, when I was smaller, I used to eat the garlic whole, like barely chop it up or anything, not in food. Just take out one out the fridge and eat them. And I used to like to eat them. It had a little a little spice flavor that I
Spicy.
like. Yeah. And the flavors smell so good.
So now I'm going to add some heavy cream to the pot. Guys, this is what we're doing at home for our family, for my kids. But the original carbonara, you use the yellow of the eggs to make the sauce for the carbonara. But I don't have time for that right about now, so I go in the fast way I can go. Easy way. I'm showing you guys a different technique, a different way of doing your carbonara at home. Okay guys, so we buy this butter bread in the shop. I guess it from Carl & Son. I'm not sure because it marked Carrefour on it. Maybe it's from Carrefour. But it's a butter bread, so we're going to make some simple garlic. Ooh, let me taste it. Garlic bread for the pasta.
So this Valentine's Day dinner, turn up.
Just like that. Save the next rest. Okay guys, so this is my grater here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grate a little bit of garlic. You can just take it and rub it on the bread also if you want the garlic. But I'm just going to grate a little bit like so. Like that. And I'm going to add it to a little bit of butter. Because we're not doing a lot this afternoon. About this amount of butter, this amount of garlic. Can I get a spoon please, or a fork? And then we're just going to break it down inside of the butter, just like that. And look how easy. You can add parsley, you can add more butter, more garlic, salt, pepper, whatever you you choose. Especially if you're using unsalted butter, you have to add salt to it to give it more flavor or taste. And just like that, our garlic butter is finished. So I'm just going to take the same fork and just spread it on both sides of the bread. Just like that. Can you add some Parmesan cheese to the pot, Kissy?
Sure.
Because the cream started to boil already.
And I love Parmesan.
I don't tell you to put the whole bottle inside it now, you know.
Guys, in the store, I was like, okay, Mom, we buying the small Parmesan. I'm going to put the whole thing in it. Because I love Parmesan cheese.
I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today on your Valentine's Day. I hope you're treating yourself. You see, it's just right for the 5 pieces of bread. Just right amount. Check your pasta, Kissy.
Okay, cooked now.
It's ready?
Yep.
Okay, so we have to move over that side now, guys. Alright. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add some complete season. You know the dish can't finish until the complete season go inside the pot. So I'm adding my complete season, and I'm going to add some black pepper, because you know carbonara pasta is, you need some good black pepper inside it to bring out all that flavors. There's something about the black pepper that they use, just pops inside your mouth and say pasta, delicious. So now I'm just going to transfer my pasta, my noodles. Before somebody have to tell me I don't know the difference between pasta and noodles. My noodles to the pot over here, to my cream sauce. Kissy, come and check my cream sauce, girl. Wow, beautiful.
Okay, that looks.
And we just added tin in the cream.
Put the garlic bread on the plate.
It starts to hot. Okay. And let's remove this pot.
Excuse me, Mama. Wow. Gonna put the garlic bread on the grill.
And then I'm just incorporating everything, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to add my bacon inside it. Oh, Jesus. And mix that up inside it. I'm going to get some fresh parsley. But right about now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to kill the heat from this stove, because this is finished. Let me transfer one there. Bring this over here. Sorry, Mama. Flip the bread. Should I do more bread, right, Kissy? We can always go back and make some more. Okay guys, so my garlic bread is finished, so I'm just going to turn off the heat and take them off. Add them to a plate until I'm ready.
Can I have
Alright.
blue yogurt, Mama?
Sure, baby.
Blue yogurt. With a spoon.
Okay guys, so I tasted it and it tastes like it needs a little bit more season. So I'm just going to add a little bit more complete seasoning to it and a little bit more heavy cream to it.
Yeah.
Now you're talking, right? Just a splash of heavy cream and mix that in. Kiss. Then we're going to add some fresh parsley inside it. Beautiful.
Beautiful woman.
Mix it up. And then we're going to plate ourselves up some now.
Gorgeous girls eat Alfredo Pesar.
So you see, Kissy, you get your Valentine's Day dinner. Lovely. So,
And guys, my favorite pasta is Alfredo pasta. That's why I like to add a lot of heavy cream, a lot of cheese.
okay, I think this is good enough. Like so. Then we're going to come back on this side now, guys. We're going to damp it with some Parmesan cheese or dust it. Some more fresh parsley, and because it's Valentine's Day, I'm going to add me some red to it, just to indicate, you know,
XXX means kisses.
kisses. So
Stars now.
okay, that good enough. And then my garlic bread. On the side, stick that down inside it, guys.
This one is mine.
Stick that down. You know, it's all about the presentation. And that's it. Happy Valentine's Day, guys.
It looks like a crab.
We're going to eat. Eat. I'm so happy. Okay, guys. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share it. Make sure you tell a friend about us at Shakima at Home. And in everything you do, put God first. Big up on yourself. Happy Valentine's Day 2022. Period.